Hi, my name is Dairon, and today I will talk about of physics, more specific about dynamic of rigid body. Okay, the first step is mm, find find the force in the body. For example, this is body one. This is a force normal. This is for example, this table uh, do a force uh, a book or um, second force this tension uh, this is force is by the rope do force on the body one uh, three force this is weight and this force is produced by gravity and this force is friction. This is for friction in the body and table, for example. The second is propose a reference system. This is axis y, axis x, axis c. um, this is proposed for ubication the object in the space. The next step is sum of force. This is for the reference system. For example, xy and xc and xx uh, axis axis, excuse me, axis y and axis c, axis x. In this case, in this occasion, axis c, it is here and some force in axis x. This is axis x. This is force 1, force 3. Force 1, it is an axis positive axis. uh, uh, Force 1 plus force 1, and force 3 is negative, same in the axis y, positive and negative, negative. Turkey. The turkey is product of force multiplied by distance distance. This is multiplied is especially uh, and finally is solution of the obtained equation. Let's see an example. Okay, There is a cylinder of mass m and radius r that rolls without sliding um, in a inclined plane uh, of, of angle theta, mass m, uh, radius r. Okay. Um, to make the body diagram, we are going to enlarge the image or figure. ¿Qué se me hizo? Acá está. This is the cylinder. Aquí. Metémosle entonces aquí. El radio. And this is the plane. The first force is weight. Mejor con reglito. The second force is the normal force. This is the normal force, and this is the weight. And 3/4 is the friction. Ok. Voy a borrar aquí un pedacito. This is theta. This is the force. Next point is propose a reference system. This is axis y. And this is x. Okay. The force in the axis y is this space, this angle is this angle. W, the weight. This is our triangle. So this is angle theta. This long, and this is long by coseno de theta. Okay? Coseno de theta. And y. This is equal and same or equally no more. This is direction negative plus normal equal a 0, normal, and y cosine, and last in the axis x is y sin theta. This is theta. Negative. Fair. In this direction, the cylinder is movement in this direction. So this is same massa mass by acceleration multiplied by acceleration, this point, and sum of tau torque. Torque is special. This is the axis of gyro, of rotate, and this is the axis. If force is applied in the axis or in direction of the axis, this force now produce torque, but this force is not is in the axis and not is in direction or axis. This is friction. Entonces, la fricción en producto cruz for distance of the axis or point of force. This is R. Okay, and this is the axis C. In this moment, rotate in the axis in this direction. Decimos así, es dirección positiva. Positive direction and negative direction. this is same of or equally a negative, or the E, this is our moment, an inertial moment, multiplicate for alpha. This is acceleration of circular, but this acceleration is translational. Okay. This is the ultimate step, finish step, is solve our equation. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Like the cylinder wrote in without a slider, no, and acerca al humor. This is road, this, but now this road, or for example this slide, no, road, road without the slide. The for equation, this is a, this a is same or equally or alpha multiplied by r. This is for equation. Okay. Of equation 2, obtain friction. Friction is equally or okay. This is an equation. The next equation is this 3. This operation is r multiplied for fr. This is our negative, a rotation negative. For example, this is r, this is fr. This is my hand in the r. Okay. This is an error. This r fr. R R cruise fr. This is a negative. Okay. This negative r fr equally negative inertial moment alpha. This fr multiplica. Okay. The object is obtained acceleration translational of the movement mm, in yeah. The object is obtained this acceleration translational but not rotational translational of this point or this point. Uh, this acceleration in terms of of that that we that we know. Okay. Um, for acceleration, G gravedad is como 9 meters, meters seconds elevate to weight. This weight is mass multiplied by gravedad. This mass. Entonces, R multiplied by this and by this. And this negative multiplied by negative is positive. Okay. Ahora. Ah, this is the inertial moment. Anybody have inertial moment different. In this case, a cylinder is medio. This is the moment, the inertial moment of cylinder. This is R G theta más R M A equal a minus alpha. This is multiplied of divided, and this is this two is divided for multiplied. By M R divided 2. Okay. Esto ya no lo necesito. These two are mg of theta 2 are m a wait, 2 mg. Okay, this alpha r is equal or a. This is r and r. Well, okay. R, r. Okay, this is a. Okay, r with r, 2 r2 mg sen. Okay, 2 r2 ma with mr2 with its negative a. Okay, mr2 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 dos g plus 2a negative a. This plus and this term pass it of the other side of equality. This positive pass negative. This is negative 2g sin theta equally. Okay, and this is a or a minus man. Negative 3a. Negative with negative. And those g sin theta. 3 is multiplicate pass to dividend. This is 3 and 8. So the acceleration of transport is g is conocido, theta is no. Excuse me, no. We know theta, we know g. 2, 3, and sin. This is of acceleration of system. And finally, with this equation, you can solve the system or position and velocity. This is velocity is equally acceleration by time, and position is acceleration by time. This is position. Acceleration. Entonces, queda 2g de teta por el tiempo sobre 3. Este me queda 2g seno de teta por el tiempo al sobre, sí, dos, this three, this two, two with two, G, this finally, this is of dynamic or of rigid body, and finish.